Hello, my name is Ethan Page, and today I'll be presenting my research on microplastics in freshwater ecosystems with a focus on impacts in western North Carolina and how they affect ecosystems. Microplastics are very small particles, less than 5 millimeters in size. These particles are now found in rivers, lakes, and even drinking water. They are becoming a major environmental concern because they can harm ecosystems and living organisms. Microplastics come from several sources. Some form when larger plastic items break down over time, and others form from synthetic clothing fibers released during washing, personal care products, and other industrial waste. Microplastics are also consumed by fish and other wildlife. This disrupts the food chain and can lead to long term environmental damage. These particles can also carry harmful toxins that affect organisms. In western North Carolina, rivers and streams are especially vulnerable to microplastic population and pollution. The effects it affects wildlife, water quality, and even tourism. Local research is ongoing and community involvement plays a key role in monitoring these ecosystems. This research follows the scientific method. Scientists observe microplastics in water as how they affect ecosystems, form a hypothesis if they are harmful, test water samples, and conclude that microplastics negatively impact the environment. A quadrant is a square area used in ecological research to study a specific section of an ecosystem. It helps scientists to measure biodiversity and collect consistent data. For my quadrant observation, I created a 24 by 24 square area that observed it for about 20 to 60 minutes. I recorded plants, insects, and activity within the area. In my observations, I found small insects and a variety of plants. I also noticed signs of human impact. While microplastics were not directly visible, their presence is possible. The quadrant helped me to show ecosystem interactions clearly. Using quadrants helps track environmental changes over time. This is especially important after natural events like floods and fires, and this data collected helps scientists understand and how to respond to ecosystem damage during natural disasters and other events. In conclusion, microplastics are a growing environmental threat that affects ecosystems and organisms. Local action and continued research are essential to reducing their impact. These are the sources for my research for this presentation, and thank you for listening.